Alright, so there's where all the water was in the crank. See a little bit spot right there, not a big issue. Over here you can see how all the water came in. Obviously got on top of the rod a little bit. But I'm not seeing a lot of damage in the bearing area, at least. So it's not too bad. So it doesn't look like it actually got into where the bearings are at. Probably because it had oil there. Enough oil to protect it, I guess. But you definitely see how the water was in there. So these are the bearings. Didn't see anything really wrong with them. Looking through them here, see if there's any pits or anything on them. Appears rotating all right, look okay. Piece of crap right there. Yeah, seeing your broilers. Those look all right. Nothing wrong with them. Washers are fine. Don't see any evidence of rust on the bearing surface. You definitely see how things are binding up though quite a bit. So you can see the wear mark's real heavy by my finger, but down here at the bottom it's barely getting wear on at all because the rod is out around. Would be my guess. So this needs to be honed out a little bit till they slip on there nicely. So we go over here and get the top of Scooby. He wants to go to bed, but don't want to go to bed. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and hone these out a little bit. See how far out around they are. They didn't feel like they were that bad, but here's my gauge up here, so let's see what number we get. This doesn't work real good, but it's better than nothing. Okay. So half a thou, 6/10. And half a thou. 4 under, 1 up, 4 down. This goes past where I want to go. Thought I had 2 washers floating around. There it is, the other washer. There's my other washer, but I don't think both washers fit in here though, as I recall. No. Yeah, haven't figured a good way of doing this one yet. Can't hold it square, but looks like it's about the same half thou around. 0 there, and looks like we're about between 5 and 6/10 down there. Hard to tell. So we're about a half thou around, but real tight. So, all right, we're going to fix that problem right now. I'm going to hone these out some. Okay, get rid of that one. Big bastard here. Okay. It's coarser than I really want for a finish, but I don't see a number on this thing. Definitely coarser than I like. Okay, let me see if I can find some a little finer. Look at that. Okay. Go ahead and hone these out a little bit. See what I get. Stop this binding from happening. Not very much yet. More pressure. Tense out around on the worst side, some money on the other. Pretty round. That's great. A little bit bigger. This is smaller than that one, so we'll go this side. Okay, I'm going to go clean these up and then see how they feel. They're about 8/10 bigger than what they were overall. 6 to 8/10 on the small side to the biggest side. So they're half thawed around, so it's only 3/10 bigger than the big side. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, let's see what we got here. Got the rods all cleaned up. So here's what the big ends look like now. Finished a little rougher than I like, but it's only stones I got. Okay, so let's see how these slip on here. This is pinion side, yep. Rod's going this way. Supposed to have a washer down there. Perfect. Look at that. Good clearance now, see? Like you're supposed to have. They won't be binding up no more. slide off like they're supposed to. Okay, that's good. Okay, now the only problem is getting this freeze plug out of here. Damn mosquito. Fly. Whatever the hell that was is dead. It's not a mosquito. So when you unpress this, these get loose. So theoretically, if I shove it back in, it should be tight. It hasn't come out yet. I've blown on it a few times, so maybe we're good. It's definitely not falling out yet. Okay, this crank went with a 21 tons of force, so it's pretty good. Got some pretty good tension on there. So that's definitely a plus. I'm going to go ahead and just snot it up and put it together. Some oil in there. Flip the washer around whichever way you want. Put it back how it came out. Looks like it's pretty good. Now we're going to have assembly lube in here, not that stupid ass tranny oil. Yeah. Stinky crap. That's what I want to do the first time. Take it apart, fix the damn thing, put it back together. Oh no, we can't do that. Why not? It's just a stupid crank. Not like it's anything important or hard to work on. Time I chewed the damn thing up, I could have had it rebuilt already and chewed it back up again. All right. Uh-oh. Trouble now. Get your midnight snack?
Huh?
Get your midnight snack?
Yeah, everything was closed. I had to go all the way down to 30th.
Oh.
Fuck. Needed soda at the house.
Scooby can eat it up. I dropped it on the floor and it fell apart.
For real?
Yeah. Rust all down the shaft, but the bearings were good. Rod was tight. Not no more. I got tired of stealing that stupid ass locking up rod. One advantage, and now we know we got a good crank for a while. It's like an Evo now, see? The clearance. You slide on off nice, see? Look at that. It's like they're supposed to. There's my other washer right here. That's already snotted up. Okay. Now you just push it back together and we're done. Maybe true it. We already had to do that anyway, right? There. Goes together like that. Nothing to it. Alright, let me get it all set up. We'll be back.